Hello everybody, welcome back to another video, and today I'm going to teach you how you can transfer your cryptocurrency from Tonkeeper to Bybit. So first you gotta prepare your accounts, make sure your Tonkeeper app is installed on your device, that you are logged in, make sure you have an account on Bybit and you are logged in also. Step 2, obtain your Bybit deposit address, log in into Bybit, open the Bybit app, go to the Bybit website and log into your account. Navigate to assets, click on the assets at the bottom or top of the screen. Select cryptocurrency you want to use or deposit. It's either Bitcoin, Ethereum, a Litecoin, whatever you want. Get the deposit address, click on deposit. Bybit will generate the deposit address for the selected cryptocurrency. Copy this address. Step 3, transfer from Tonkeeper. Open Tonkeeper, launch the Tonkeeper app on your device, select the cryptocurrency, choose the cryptocurrency you want to send, initiate the transfer. Click on send or a similar option in the app, enter the Bybit address, paste the Bybit deposit address you copied earlier into the recipient address field. Specify the amount, enter the amount of cryptocurrency you want to transfer, confirm the transaction, review the transaction details and confirm the transfer. Step 4, verify the transfer, check transaction status in Tonkeeper. Go to transaction history in Tonkeeper to see the status of your transfer. Confirm receipt on Bybit after some time depending on the cryptocurrency network. The transfer amount should appear in your Bybit account under the corresponding cryptocurrency. And thank you all for watching my tutorial for today's video. I hope you guys like it. Like and subscribe, share the video, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye bye.